Hi Anna, how things? So here we go. What we're going to do today is we're going to take that information that you did for homework and we're going to make this pie chart. Okay, so we're going to put this into Google Sheets. So if you want to open up Google Sheets right now, do that right now. Just go to Google and go to the the main page there, and you'll see Google Sheets. Open that up, and we're going to put some information in here. I'm going to switch screens over to my Excel sheet because this is what your sheet should look like. Your sheet from your homework. All right, and I'm gonna bring this back over in a second. But this is what yours should look like, and you can see here that what we're gonna do is one of the first steps we're gonna do is we're gonna set up categories, and I've done that by going through and highlighting different things with different colors so that I can chunk those times together, because driving is yellow is doing the beginning and the end, so don't forget to do those things. Yours will probably be more diverse than mine. Mine are all kind of chunked together because my time is limited to doing certain things. So yours may look a little differently. You may have more things throughout the day that kind of go together. So I'm going to switch this back over to into Google Sheets. I'm going to get rid of my beautiful chart here, and let's see how we did this. Okay, so we're back over now into Google Sheets, and you can see that I set up my category, all right, my categories, whatever, and I put down my miscellaneous: driving, work, exercising, screen time. And with screen time, you can probably just do this on your phone, so I actually encourage you to do that right now. Is open up your phone, look for screen time on your phone, because it keeps track of how much time you're on each day. And let's put that time in for today, whenever that day was. I don't know if you can go back or not, but it'd be a good idea to put that actual time in, because it might be shocking to you. All right. You can see I have coaching time with my kids, chores, and TV. All right. So I've already done this. I'm just going to unhide these cells. You can see that I chunked these things together already. I figured out how much time I have for each one. I'm just going to delete that for a second. I drive for an hour. Driving is actually more than that. It's more than an hour. It's I already messed up because I had it's a little longer. That's an hour and a half. All right, so it's 90 minutes. Sorry. All right. Work. Now I'm at work for 7 hours, and I am and it's 60 minutes. So we want to convert 7 hours into minutes. So if I just do 7 equals shift 8, 60, I'll get 420. All right. Exercising, I went for a run for 30 minutes. Screen time, coaching. So again, coaching I did 2 hours. It's just equals, and equals 2 times 60 to convert it into minutes, and so on and so forth. Okay, and if you take a look at the bottom, I only have 930 minutes, and I have to get to 150, right? So what's 1050 minus this? I need 120 minutes. So I'm just going to pop that into the miscellaneous time, just to fix that. All right, so now you can see that I have 150 minutes because that's the time I woke up. I woke up at 5:30 and went to bed at 11. And another example, if you were up at 6 and went to bed at 11, it'll be 120 minutes, or 1,020 minutes. I'm sorry. All right. So we added up our time as well. So we created categories. We found out our total time, and we set up the times for each one. All right. So now we got to get a percentage. So I'm going to hit equals. Click on that cell next to it, divided by the 150 cell, or my total time, and I'm going to click conversion, all right, into percentages. Now, if I drag this down, it's going to drag down this as well, and obviously there's nothing underneath it, so I need to click on this and do my F4 to get the dollar signs up here, all right, and if I hit enter, now it's going to be the same number, but now I can drag it because I locked in this cell here, so you can see that all my percentages are here. Okay, if I want to make this look a little bit prettier, I can just hit that symbol, the percent symbol. You don't have to, because the chart will do that for you, but you can do it if you want. All right, so now we're going to make this chart, and all you need to do is click and drag down, and click and drag down on the 2 categories that you want, So I clicked and drag down, and then I hit Control and I drag down on this one. Okay, so you can do that. All right, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to these dots over here, and you can see that there's a little chart here, looks like a graph. I'm going to click on that. That's what I want. All right, and it comes up, it defaults as a column chart, which can be pretty productive. It can help you out a little bit, but I like pie charts better for this example. Kind of lets it all sets it up a little bit better. So you can see now that it breaks it down for me. It tells me I'm at work for 40% of my day. I exercise for only 2.6. Obviously, I'm a phys ed teacher, so I was playing basketball sometimes, so I can count that as exercise too. But I counted that as teaching for now, just to be simple for me right now. Screen time, I have 5.7%. Times with my kids, things like that. So it all kind of breaks down and kind of shows me how much time I'm spending where, and if I can maybe maximize my time. Like miscellaneous is 11.4, so maybe I could do a better better job managing my time in that aspect. All right. Make sure you answer your questions on the back of your homework, the chart on the back of this page. All right. And also make sure that you share this with me. And to share that, you need to go up to the share. All right, hit that. Type in T Christensen. It should pop up automatically because I've emailed you before and things like that. So it should just come up and then hit done. All right, do all those things, and that is it. Good luck.